Christy from Cruising with Christy. I'm here today with my friend Marcia, who refused to be on camera. And I'm gonna be making her a lemon drop martini, and she's gonna be asking me questions about drink packages for cruises. Go for it, shoot.
Here we go. So, Christy, what is a drink package?
So drink packages you can get on your cruise. Usually you pay ahead of time because you're gonna save a lot of money if you pay ahead of time. So you save 10 to 30% if you pay for them before you get on the cruise. Basically, drink packages allow you to go anywhere on the cruise ship, the dining room, the bars, anywhere. And even like if you're on like a Royal Caribbean cruise that has their own personal island, usually your drink packages are included there. So it kind of makes like a stress-free time. You're not thinking like, oh no, I just spent $100 on drinks because you've already got them in your drink package.
So if you're gonna buy a drink package, when should you buy it?
You should buy it before you get on the cruise. Because for two reasons. One, you'll save 10 to 30%, actually for three reasons. Two, as soon as you get on the ship, go to your favorite bar, or you don't know what's your favorite bar, any bar, get your drink. It's already loaded in your card. You don't have to like wait and sign up on the ship. And the other good thing is prices are going up all over the place on these cruises. And so if you pay for your drink package now and it goes up, you're locked in to that price. You're locked into whatever you paid.
So how much do they cost?
It depends on the cruise line. There's a lot of independents in this. But if you're on Princess or Holland America, they're both $60. I know Celebrities can be over $100. So it just depends on the cruise ship that you're on. For example, on Holland America, you can get the drink package by yourself, which usually is more money, or you can they have a have it all package, which is like an all-inclusive package. That's what $60. It includes Wi-Fi, it includes like a specialty dinner. So it has a couple other perks. And then on Princess Plus, it includes your Wi-Fi, it includes your crew gratuity that you're gonna pay $16 a day anyway. So that's $31 right away that you're gonna have to pay.
So, do both people in the cabin have to have the drink package?
They do. Kind of. It's kind of weird. The answers are yes and no. So if you read just the cruise line, what they have to say, they say yes, both people have to get it. But the cruise that I'm coming up, that I'm gonna go to in the beginning of October, I called the guy who's helping me with the travel plans and I said, can Noah get a 0 alcohol package? And he said yes. But now see, the thing that I thought about, that 0 alcohol package is just for drinks. So it won't include the special extras. It won't include the Wi-Fi, it won't include the gratuity.
Okay, so can we purchase the package for just some days at the cruise?
No, you have to get them for the whole cruise. And the thing that's interesting is your 5-day cruise, let's just say, so your 5-day cruise, you come in, you get on the ship on Saturday, you usually get on around, let's say noon. So you can start using your drink package if you pre-packaged it, or prepaid for it, let's say 1 o'clock. But that other half of that 5-day cruise is the morning of your debarkation. So if you're gonna drink, it would be like a mimosa or a Bellini in the morning, but it's not really like a full drink day. So it's something to think about. I think I have everything on a shake.
All right, shake it
Let's
up.
find out.
I'll do the taste test for you.
All right, do the taste tester.
Okay, while you're shaking, tell me, so what do I get in my drink package?
So your drink package includes, let's do this. Your drink package includes 15 alcoholic drinks. Alcoholic drinks. It's kind of, do you say alcoholic drinks or you say alcohol drinks? Doesn't it sound weird? Like it's an alcoholic drink? I don't know. It sounds weird to me. Anyways, 15 alcoholic drinks for most drink packages. All the ones that I read, it's 15 in a 24-hour period. What I didn't know that I found out just recently is that non-alcoholic drinks, so soft drinks, so these are other things that are included. Soft drinks, waters like Evian, if you want like a sparkling water. Let's see what else. Just canned water if you want just canned water. Smoothies, fresh juices. So lots of like that are soft drinks are also, the mocktails are all included in that drink package. Okay, give it a little test. Do I need to add anything?
I really enjoyed the sugar rim.
Yeah, I love the sugar rims. I put a little zest in it.
Oh, perfect.
Is it perfect? Oh, good. Then I'll make mine.
Perfect. So do you have to order cocktails off the menu? I'm thinking you don't.
You do not.
You can call your cocktails.
You can call your cocktails. So like I like drinking Cape Cods. They would make a Cape Cod. My bird wants always to be in the show, but we're gonna let him keep chirping and hopefully not drive us too crazy.
And what did you notice, like at dinner time, did they have a variety of wines you could choose from with different prices?
They had a variety, yes. So a variety of different wines, and you're a big wine drinker, so you probably would want maybe to order like a bottle of wine. If you ordered a bottle of wine, then you get 25% off the bottle of wine. Oh, and here's something else. You can bring 2 bottles of wine. With Princess and Holland America, you can bring 1 bottle per person onto the ship. So if you want to bring your own wine, they do have a corking fee, but if you have really nice wine. So if you bring your nice bottle of wine and you want to bring it to dinner, you could pay the corking fee.
Any other tips?
Just a big tip is like drink water. So just like any time that you go and you're having fun with your friends, just make it a habit of not getting sloppy and having a can of water and then a drink and a can of water and then a drink, so that you really aren't sad that you got the drink package in the morning.
You won't be able to use it the next day.
Exactly. If you have not liked and subscribed to my channel, Marcia knows every time I see her, did you subscribe? Did your husband subscribe? Did your sister subscribe? Did your brother subscribe? Okay, back to our show. Woo! Happy sailing.